What's up guys? My name is Brendan and today I want to teach you the touchdown A twist / B twist. First, I'll be going over the terminology so that way you guys can really understand this trick. After that, I'll be going over a progression for learning it and then the technique behind doing it. Finally, I'll be giving you guys some tips and tricks that I wish I had when I was first learning this trick. With that said, let's get started. First, I want to talk about the terminology behind this trick. A-twist stands for aerial twist. You can think about the ideal gymnastics aerial as being completely inverted, with your hips directly over your head. B-twist stands for butterfly twist. The ideal B-kick from wushu is completely flat, horizontal, with the athlete's hips about the same level as their head. When you do the touchdown A twist / B twist, you actually want to mimic the angle of your touchdown rise, which is not completely inverted or completely horizontal. You actually want to do a twist at about that 45-degree angle. So not completely flat like a B twist, not completely inverted like an A twist, but instead somewhere between. When athletes use their B twist or their A twist as a setup, they'll often naturally fall on this axis because it's easier to swing off-axis tricks like cork or double cork. Guys, let me know what you think about the terminology behind this trick. It's really confusing and hard for people to understand. I usually call it touchdown B twist, and then people tell me it's a touchdown A twist, but really it's kind of both. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Second, I'll be going over a progression for learning the touchdown A twist / B twist. Step 1 is to understand the set. When you set for this trick, it's not going to be a traditional wushu B kick or a classical gymnastics aerial. You're going to do that like off-axis tricker aerial. And to do that, dip your chest as you kick that leg really hard. You want to be able to do this aerial low and fast. Step 2 in the progression is to understand the twist. If you have a good B twist and a good A twist, that will directly translate over to this trick. But to prepare you for it, you can practice doing a just slightly inverted B twist or a slightly uninverted A twist. Either way, doing it at that off-axis range helps prepare for this trick. Step 3 is to understand the touchdown. If you have a touchdown rise, it is very beneficial for learning this trick. I wouldn't say it's a direct prerequisite, but it is extremely helpful because you're going to be twisting along the same axis that you do your touchdown rise. The second you spot the landing is when you're going to want to extend that hand to support your weight as you push off the ground into whatever the next trick is. And that's the progression. First, understand the set, then understand the twist, and then find the timing to put that hand down. Third, I'll be going over the technique behind the touchdown A twist / B twist. This trick starts in a neutral stance, with your legs shoulder width apart. From there, we're gonna set just like that tricker aerial. So not a wushu horizontal B kick or a gymnastics vertical aerial, but like that tricker aerial, sideways at like that 45-degree angle, trying to go low and fast. Once we leave the ground, we're gonna move to our twisting position, looking towards our twisting side, bringing our arms towards our twisting shoulder, and bringing our legs together. The second we spot our landing, we wanna open up our arms and reach out that hand to catch our body weight. Now we don't wanna extend it super fast, but rather reach it out to catch us like you would catch a ball if someone were throwing it at you. Then you wanna push off the ground to set your chest into whatever the next trick is. The touchdown A twist / B twist is a really good set. And to do that, you want to go low and fast and push off the ground hard to get plenty of momentum for the next trick. And that's the technique behind the touchdown A-twist / B-twist. Finally, I want to go over some tips and tricks to help you guys understand this trick. These are things that I wish I knew when I was first learning this skill. The touchdown A-twist / B-twist is often really confusing for people to learn and understand, mostly because it falls on that weird axis. Not completely flat like a B-twist, not completely inverted like an A-twist, but on the same axis as your touchdown rise, which is like that semi-inverted axis. Tip number 1, go low. Whenever you perform any touchdown trick, including this one, you don't want a lot of height. That's because your arm has to take your entire body weight and then push off the ground to whatever the next trick is. You want to put a lot of energy into it, but not vertical jumping energy. You want to go low and flip really fast so that way you can set into the next trick, and that way you can put your hand down nice and gently. Tip number 2, twist fast and open big. When you do the touchdown A-twist / B-twist, it is a twist. You need to bring your body really tight, but the second you spot your landing, open up and extend that arm. That will slow your twist and also help cushion the impact from that hand landing from that twisting motion. If you just drill into the ground, you won't be able to get an effective touchdown. Tip number 3, find your ideal axis. The axis that I use is going to be a little different from the axis that you use. Some people like to trick a little bit more inverted, maybe they had a gymnastics background, and some people like to trick a little flat, maybe they had a background in wushu. Whatever axis you like to twist around, helping to find it and understand it will help a ton. That way you can also manipulate it and twist around whatever axis you want. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for this tutorial. Do me a favor, write me a comment down below. Where are you at with this trick? Is this the first time you ever heard about it? Have you been working on it for a long time? Have you heard it called the touchdown B-twist, but you really struggled with it because you were trying to be flat instead of like trying to be more vertical like a touchdown rise? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you again and have a lovely day.